Wow! Guys, what is this? Wow! Guys, guess. Do you know what is this? Guys, this is amazing Spider-Man. Wow! Guys, Spider-Man will fight with Army Man. Yo, yo, yo. To, to. Yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. To, to, to. Yo, 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 yo. Wow. Guys, it is very, very amazing and nice fight. Wow. Guys, what is this? Guys, this is beautiful and mini Hulk. Wow. Guys, Hulk looking very, very cute. Wow. Guys, Hulk will fight with Spider-Man. Yo, 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 to, to, yo, 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 to, 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 to. Wow. Guys, this is Superman. Wow. Guys, this is amazing and amazing superhero. Wow. Guys, this is Venom. Wow. Guys, Venom looking very, very nice. Wow. What a great superhero. Wow. Guys, this is beautiful Batman. Guys, its golden color is very, very beautiful. Wow. Guys, this is red and yellow color Spider-Man. Wow. Guys, Spider-Man will fight with other black color Spider-Man. Yo, yo, to, to, to. Yo, yo, yo. Wow. Guys, what an amazing fight. Guys, this is gold and black color Batman. Wow. Guys, this is the best and amazing superhero. Wow. Guys, this is Army Man. Wow. Amazing. Guys, this is beautiful black color Batman. Guys, this is amazing Army Man. Wow. Guys, this is beautiful and cute Spider-Man. Wow. Guys, this is another beautiful red and blue color Spider-Man. Wow.